everybody, it's Miss Pam and I made this video for you to show you how I make interactive worksheets. So I just start off at this website that's called liveworksheets.com, and the first thing I do is come over here to this heading that says Make Interactive Worksheets. Click on that and then click Get Started. That's going to take you to this page where you can choose any worksheet that you have that's in one of the following formats. So I'm just going to choose one now. And upload it. Now I have a worksheet that I can make interactive. So I'm already in the edit mode right here. So I'm just going to create boxes in the places that I want a response from my students. If these boxes are messy, they're going to appear messy for the students too. So just be a little bit careful as you place them. Alright, now I can just go ahead and enter the responses that I want from my students. Usually you can just use the tab button to move from cell to cell. Okay, and then what I want to do is go over to the preview. And I can type to see what my students will see. So they might put a 3, that would be an incorrect response. You might put a 5, but I'd like to change the font and size here. So you can right click, or if you're using a MacBook, hit Control and hit your mouse. And I am fine with Arial, but I just want to change the font so it's a little bit bigger. There's some other options that you can use. And then there's this box here. Click on that, apply it to the whole worksheet so that you don't have to do this over and over again, and save your changes. Before you save this, I would just go through and complete it as if I were one of my students to make sure that my work is correct. And click Finished. Check my answers, and as long as everything comes up in green, it's correct, and I have a score there at the top. So that is pretty much it. The next thing I want to do is go to Save. If this worksheet is your own, you can share it with other teachers, but if it's copyrighted, belongs to someone else, you're going to click No, I want to keep it private. And then we can just give it a name. And now I have a link right here to my worksheet that I can share with my students and or my colleagues. Just another couple ways that I wanted to show you that you can create worksheets. I made this worksheet as a tick yes or no worksheet. So I simply typed into my box tick yes or tick no, and then how that works is yes, no, yes, no. Let's see, this one used in the past with man-made and natural materials. Let's finish. Check my answers. They came up correct. Here's another one. We have Goldilocks and the Three Bears, a sequencing. For this one, I typed in the boxes drag and drop. So if I click edit, you'll see what I mean. Okay, so you have to type drop, colon, and then a number. So it just has to correlate. It doesn't have to go into the sequence, but my 1 has to match 1. So if I go to see what my students see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Perfect. And then one more. This one was made for counting, so I put those numbers all in there. And then edit. You can see that it says select no, select no, select yes. So when the students do it, they would hopefully select the right answers. Let's see. And for this one, let's select the wrong answer just so that we can see what that looks like. Check your answers. And you can see that one comes up in a red color, and I didn't get quite 10 out of 10. One last thing I want to show you is that you can go over here to Interactive Worksheets, and you can look for worksheets that other teachers have already made and shared. But this is also especially useful if you want to look to see how a worksheet was made. This is usually how I figured out how to make the worksheets that I already showed you. So here's one, and then just come to here, how was it made? And we can see, oh, this is something new to me. So drop one, and then you'll find drag one over here. So this one was supposed to come here. And then they did something new, so I'll have to check that out later. Okay, I hope this video helped you, and I will see you all later. Bye-bye.